connected.
So this is my 2013 Street Triple ABS model. It's in a Caribbean blue color, which is a 2013 only color. It's all stock. A couple of Triumph bits on it. We have the engine, the frame guards, fly screen, belly pan, rear brake reservoir, and rear hugger, all OEM Triumph. And so far I've just added some ram mounts, with more to come. And you can see videos on some of the mods here on the channel and all the future things that I'm going to do as well. Maybe I'll bust out a picture for Instagram here. Follow me on Instagram, right? Oh, look how pretty you are. Alright, well, I'm going to get back to my ride. If you have any questions about the bike, put them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, ride safe. I'll see you.